Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink ashwagandha with milk using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder and 1 cup of warm milk. Gently combine these two in a mug. Stir thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth consistency. This simple preparation is perfect for incorporating into your nightly routine, offering a comforting beverage before sleep. To elevate your ashwagandha milk, consider adding a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom for a delightful aroma and taste. If you prefer a sweeter drink, a 0.5 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. For those with dietary restrictions or preferences, plant-based milk alternatives like almond or oat milk are excellent choices. These small additions can make your nightly ritual even more enjoyable and personalized. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to drink your ashwagandha milk about 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. Consistency is key. Try to incorporate this into your daily routine to experience its potential benefits over time. Remember, individual responses vary, so feel free to adjust the amount of ashwagandha powder to suit your personal tolerance and specific needs. Listen to your body. Before adding any new supplement to your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage of your ashwagandha powder is also important. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your ashwagandha milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.